Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Today, right now, we are going to examine the entire cryptocurrency market. I'm going to start giving you guys these kind of videos on a weekly basis so we kind of forecast what is yet to come. And today, this is whenever I cover Bitcoin, it is more on the urgent side because we need to kind of be prepared as to what can come in the upcoming days. So let's get right into it. If we're looking at the overall market, especially the overall market cap of the entire cryptocurrency market is currently sitting at $1.05 trillion. We are down about 0.5%. And if we're looking across the market right now, we are starting to see once again a sea of red across the board, and this is almost a week where we are seeing a continuation downwards trend happen within the cryptocurrency market. But still, we will definitely take that. Let's not get too greedy at this point because this year has started off on such a positive note that a lot of people tend to forget that. But obviously these kind of prices can be a little worrying some, and you could be scared at this point, which is totally understandable. But we need to keep the factor in mind that this year has started out on such a positive note. But like I said, if we're looking across the board, the entire market right now is seeing a massive bloodbath across the board. So what is going to happen in the upcoming days? As I've told you guys in my previous videos, that the DXY has been on an upside. And this is a US dollar index, but we're finally starting to see a little bit of a cool off starting to happen. And hopefully this thing starts falling towards the downside. But I believe this is one of the major catalysts behind the crash, or if you want to call it a cool off, that we're seeing happen in the Bitcoin price happen because of this thing. 95% of the time, the correlation, like we know that the correlation exists. So the correlation basically is that there's always a negative correlation between the DXY and the cryptocurrency market. So when the DXY goes up, the crypto space, especially Bitcoin, tends to go down. But when it goes so when the DXY goes down, we do tend to see the cryptocurrency market do the opposite. So obviously these are some factors that are going in mind, but obviously a cool off was very much needed as well. But if we're looking at the price of Bitcoin, guys, things are still not looking quite well. And let me share exactly why I'm saying that. If you're a regular viewer on my channel, you guys already know that why it's so important for the price of Bitcoin to be above $22,000 mark. I get bullish when the price of Bitcoin is above $22,000 mark. If it's not there, I am not bullish on the market. And right now, if you were to come and ask me, are you bullish on the cryptocurrency market? As of now, in the moment, I am not, because we're below $22,000 mark. And one negative thing that I wanted to share with you guys is this. Yes, we did break below this level of support, which was the $22,000 mark. This showed, number one, weakness. The weakness was shown right off the bat that the bulls never had the strength to keep the price above $22,000 mark. But not only that, bulls did see to push the price above $22,000 mark. But you guys can see we saw a rejection right off the bat. We saw a rejection. And we have seen the price of Bitcoin once again, tumble towards the downside. And hopefully this time around, we could possibly break past this. If we break past this and trade above it, that's definitely a positive thing to take away from this. If not, there is definitely a strong chance right now that the price of Bitcoin can go back down to $20,000. And obviously that's a massive level of support. If we break below it, $18,000 BTC is once again on the table. And now altcoins, Vechain holder, Cardano holder, any altcoins that you are holding right now so if you're an altcoin holder, basically you need to listen to this, because right now this can impact the altcoin market. Because look what's happening. We're seeing BTC dominance once again increasing, which means money is flowing out of altcoins into Bitcoin because uncertainty is there that Bitcoin is going to see a dump. And we're seeing the dominance pick up again. So more money is flowing back into Bitcoin, which means that altcoins are going to lag behind and going to even bleed harder if Bitcoin drops lower, which we're starting to see right now. Yes, there are a handful of good projects right now that are showing their strength, that are outperforming the entire market right now. But majority, if we're looking at the broader picture, they are being impacted by the BTC dominance. But keep in mind, just because the BTC dominance goes up and altcoins tend to drop harder than Bitcoin doesn't mean the specific altcoins that are dropping harder are not good coins. It's just how the market structure is built up. So that is something we need to keep in mind, guys. If the price of Bitcoin were to start falling more towards the downside, I am expecting this dominance to continue to increase, which is going to cause altcoins to go even more down. So obviously that's not what you guys want to hear right now, but that is definitely on the table right now. But that might give you guys another opportunity to accumulating some altcoins. You guys know what has happened in just a matter of a month and a half, how fast this market goes up. So you always want to be researching good projects, because this bull market is long. It's not short, it's long, and we're going to see these kind of cool offs here and there before we get to where we really want to be. But that is it for today's update, guys. Thank you so much for all the support you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. Continue supporting, continue subscribing. We are headed to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.